Hello, Python Web Conference 2023. I am here again with one of our awesome speakers. This time, Darva from GitLab. I've met Darva from 7CTO's community as well. Give yourself a quick introduction so folks can get to know you.
Hi, my name is Darva Satcher. I am a director of engineering at GitLab. I've been in this industry for 23 plus years. I started off at IBM as a computer engineer. I got my master's in software engineering, and I worked in every phase of the software development lifecycle until I got to the point where I was ready to grow even more. Now, while I was in the government, I ended up moving from the DC area to Atlanta, and I ended up managing the team remotely. So I didn't realize it, but I was really building that muscle to lead teams in a distributed environment, which is talk will be about today.
So let's talk a little bit about what you're going to be talking about at Python Web Conference.
Sure. Well, I currently work at GitLab, as I mentioned earlier, and we're a 100% globally remote company. And at GitLab, we lead teams. Currently, I'm leading 3 engineering teams, and I'm leading teams with team members from Australia to Minneapolis, Minnesota. And there are things that are a lot easier in person, like just communicating and getting to know people, onboarding team members. But at GitLab, we've had to master doing that remotely and distribute it.
Mm-hmm.
So in my talk, I'll discuss how to meet project deliverables on time, how to onboard new hires, how to collaborate with your peers and your counterparts, how to get results through other people who are not in your same time zone, who are from different cultures than you, right? There's a lot that goes into managing and leading teams to produce high quality software or any effort.
That's pretty cool. Now, you'll be joining us for that week of the conference. What are you looking forward to yourself from Python Web Conference?
Just the idea that you can compare 2 user interfaces like version 1 and version 2 and give them to the AI software, and AI automatically creates the assertions and all the test cases is fantastic. I'm also excited about the myths about GraphQL.
Well, I'm again very excited to have you joining us next week, and thanks for being with us.